This video will focus on derivations of area height for a triangle and doing things on the diagram when you're given information over here. The reason we're doing it here, this seems like a lot of information. We're going to put it on the diagram and we're going to see what we can come up with. Most students this early on in the course are going to be a little intimidated by this problem, but we want you to see that you can do it if you run through the information. So AD is congruent to CD right there. Point B bisects AC. So point B, so AB and BC. So AB and BC are also congruent. And then angle ABD is a right angle. So if ABD is a right angle, CBD is also a right angle. So now you can see here we have two right triangles and these two sides are congruent. Now this will require use of the Pythagorean theorem to jog your memory. A squared plus B squared equals C squared in the Pythagorean theorem. Now, AD is 5, AB is 3. AD is 5, AB is 3. Now, there's two ways you can do this. If you know your Pythagorean triples, you'll know what this side is already. But assuming you don't, we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem. So let's say this is A. So 3 squared plus B squared equals 5 squared, the hypotenuse. So B squared equals 5 squared minus 3 squared, which is 25 minus 9, which is 16. B squared equals 16, so B equals 4. So this side is 4. If you know your Pythagorean triples, you already know 3, 4, 5. So AD is congruent to DC, so this length is also 5. AB is congruent to BC, so that is also 3. DB is in both, so that's 4. So now the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height, which in this case is 1/2 times 3 plus 3, which is 6, times 4, which is then 12. So again, this problem looks very scary at the beginning because there's a lot of information. You think, what am I supposed to do? The best thing you can do, you draw this out on your paper, you put the information on it. AD is congruent to DC, AB is congruent to BC. This is 3, this is 5, that's a right angle, that's 4, and then there you go. Now, I would suggest taking this problem, turning your paper over, doing it again on your own without looking. Just do it until you can do it. The only way to get through geometry is just do problems until you conquer them, and then you move on.